Hey, it's Dane here with DJ2 Living in Wheel Time, and the project for today is we're replacing our chrome bumpers on our brand new F350 FX4 dually to color matched, which is agate black. So I found these about a 2-hour drive away, and these are agate black off of a 2024 Platinum. And so I got the back bumper ready to go. I had to, move the wiring harness and everything. Not too bad. They're really just two plugs to take this thing, electrical plugs to unplug and then unbolt to come off. But also, I bought the trailer camera plug, since I have the Ford factory camera and tire pressure monitoring system on my travel trailer. I had it all hooked up with other trucks. So I ordered this plug. We do have the fifth wheel plug in the bed. It already has this plug. Instead of just swapping them out like I've seen people do, I just ordered another one. About $100, kind of pricey I think for this plug, but it is what it is, $100. So I'm gonna put this in, so I'll have camera connections if I wanna do gooseneck or the bumper pull and for the future, instead of just swapping them around. So there we go. About to put the back bumper on and get it. I gotta look for the camera plug up underneath the back. So let's see if we can find that. All right, Dane here, and I found the camera plug underneath the back of the truck. It's tied to the harness right here, and it's blanked off. And so there we go. I believe I got that right there. We'll get it in position. We'll get the bumper on, and then we'll plug all this in. All right, here's the finished product. We have the our good old 7-pin connector, and then the camera plug in there. And I've already tried it with my travel trailer. Here's the travel trailer, and here's a connection. They give you this nice parking stand to keep that thing dry. But this is what the connector looks like going to the trailer. Kind of trying to do this with one hand. Yeah. Goes in there, keeps it nice and dry. So that's it. Finished product, new bumper, and got the camera and trailer TPMS connector. Oh, and let me show you in the bed. This comes from the factory. Right here, it's the 7-pin, and it also has the camera plug down here at the bottom. So no 4-pin connector here, and so there we go. All right, when I got back in the truck, you can see the truck is detecting the trailer, and it says use default or add new trailer, no active trailer. So I'm guessing it didn't memorize in the trailer like this one guy said. So let's set this up. Add a new trailer. All right, and the trailer type, we'll put the trailer type in here. It's just a conventional trailer. It continued down at the bottom, save it. Continue to set up. Let's go here, set up. This is electric surge, electric over hydraulic, and these are all electric here, so we're good there. We'll put this on medium and try it, see where that's at. And the length here is a little shorter than, about 24 feet here. I think that's perfect. All right, 1 of 4. Let's go to the next screen. How wide is it? 8.5 feet. Height is, on this trailer here, it's 11.5. And then the weight of this trailer is, oh, I hit the wrong button. The gross vehicle trailer weight, I think it's well, we'll put 10,000. I don't remember exactly right now. I'll adjust that, but that's pretty close. All right, confirm it all. And all right, so we have the trailer set up, and you can see where you can go back in and change your settings and everything. So this trailer alarm, I'm not sure what that is. Let's see, information. Okay, if the trailer comes loose, it gives you an alarm, which I think you would know pretty quick on this trailer at least. So there's my settings, and let's see what we can see on the dash. Go to the trailer. So this is a new truck, so bear with me with all of these settings. Let's see, go to menu maybe. Let's go to towing, trailer information, trailer light status, trailer tire information. Yeah, you usually have to drive a little bit, specified 50 psi. That's right on the money, so maybe there is some memory to it. So, but you can change that, so I'm good there. Trailer, okay, the gain, all of that stuff. So all right, so everything looks like it's good. Now let's go to our cameras over here, and let's see if we can pick out this trailer cam. So I'm gonna hit my camera button at the top, bring up the cameras, and you're seeing we're looking at the front of the truck here. Let's go here. There's my bed cam. I believe you're gonna have to go down here to this auxiliary right here, and there's the back view from the trailer. Now the camera is pretty dirty because I haven't cleaned it. It's been sitting out here in the lot, but that looks pretty darn good. So all right, and let's see our bed cam. There's our bed cam. There's our hitch cam. You see I got not hooked up to the trailer, hitched up to it, but yeah, everything works good. So when we actually go somewhere, or I'll check it later, I'll drive around and find the if the tire pressure does tire pressure, temperature, and pressure. So all right, pretty good. I got this, the trailer view where it looks down both sides of your trailer. That's something new that I didn't have before. I'm not sure what that view is called, and I think you can bring just that up so you're looking right down the side there. That's kind of interesting. We'll see how that works. So anyway, Dane here. I got the new bumper on, the trailer camera connection all hooked up. So we'll catch you later on to the front bumper. So